Students, today we are going to discuss question and answers from the chapter House All Around. Okay, so houses all around. Okay, we have already finished the chapter, but the short answers and long answers were not yet discussed, which we will do it today. The first question is write short answers. So in this question, we will solve first one. What are the three factors that determine the type of house to be built? Now the answer to this question is there are three main factors which determine the type of house we build. And these factors are the climate of the place, then material to be used, and the budget available. So these are the three factors on which the type of house depend upon. Second question. Name any 6 materials used for building a house. Okay, you can write bricks, stones, concrete, glass, iron and thatch. Okay, these are the 6 materials that are used for building a house. Okay, of course there are others also, but they have asked to mention only 6 materials. So you will mention 6. You can take any 6 material and write them. Of course they should be used for building a house. The third question is, before building a house, who makes the plan of the house? So this is a skilled person, and that professional is called as architect. This architect makes the plan of the house. So how will you write the answer? Before building a house, an architect makes a plan of the house. Okay. Fourth question, name 3 characteristics of a good house. Now the characteristics of a good house are, the house should get lot of sunlight. Okay, then the walls of the house must be strong, damp proof and well plastered. Also the doors and windows must be in such a direction that it receive fresh air and sunlight. Okay, it should enter the fresh air and sunlight should enter into every room. That should be the direction of doors and windows. Okay, so these are the answers. Now comes the long answers. Okay, in this the answers will be long compared to the shorter ones. First question, houses in hot places need to be cool from inside, and what are the special features of such houses? Okay, now in places where climate is hot, houses have a thick walls and flat roofs. Thick walls keep the inside of the house cool, whereas flat roofs can be used by a people for sleeping outdoors. Okay, so both of the things are important in hot places. They should have thick walls and flat roofs. Second question, what are the special features of the house where it rains heavily? Okay, in places where it rains a lot and climate is hot and damp, houses are often built on stilts. These houses built a few feet above the ground on the raised platform so that it remains safe from floods. The sloping roofs of the houses on hills do not allow rainwater to collect and make the houses damp and cold. Okay, so that's how people make assure that their houses are safe in such places. Okay, in places where it rains heavily and conditions are damp. Okay, let us see next question. Question number 3, how are the houses in the hills different than those in the plains? We already discussed this in the topic when I was teaching you about various houses and their types. Well, houses in hilly areas need to be built easily and quickly. Therefore, houses here are built of bamboo and wood. Okay, whereas in the plains, the permanent houses can build with the materials like bricks, concrete, glass, iron. All this material can be used to build a permanent house. But where there is a plain, the plain area, in plain area you can build such type of houses. But in hilly areas, okay, where there can occur any calamity, there can be a landslide because of heavy rainfall. Okay, anything can occur. So in such places, building quick and easy house with the help of natural materials like bamboo and wood is always safe. Okay, because that ensures that even if there is any calamity, it will not affect life and property too much. Okay, well, that was all for today. uh, I taught you how should you write answers to short answers and long answers also. Okay, and I hope you understood what are the points that are necessary for this type of questions. Okay, so the homework for you is you have to solve this exercise of short answers and long answers, which is given at the end of the lesson in your notebook. Okay, so you will write this question and answers in your notebook. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay, so see you in next session with the new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.